So the forest garden becomes not only a place to grow food, to learn physically how to live, to merge within an ecosystem, how to understand how plants grow together, how ecosystems form, how insects and birds and all life can merge. But more than that, the spiral garden touches on ideas surrounding forest bathing, a connection to the earth, a mindful journey, a searching which not only helps us to philosophically become, but restores health, a well-being, physically as well as mentally and spiritually. So the garden recognises what we all know gardens can do. They give us peace in its own non-judgmental, welcoming way. A forest garden expands into our very being. It helps us understand our life as we move along the path. We imagine the space between things. As we move between life, we form a new creation. We connect in this creative area between things. We become something more. We create something more. And in it we see not efficiency, not money, but the belonging to life itself. As we move into the centre of the garden, the herb spiral takes us to the beginning, to the very centre, the palm tree.